Hey everyone, I'm Cassandra and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Capital One Platinum Secured Card. This is another really good card for building your self-credit. It's a secured card, so you have to put down a deposit before you can use the card. And the down payment is your credit limit. My limit on this card is $200, so that means in order for me to use the card, I had to put $200 into my account. I had to wait for it to process, and once it did, I was able to use that, and that is my credit limit on this card. Now online, the Capital One Platinum Secured Card, it says, by quote, "By using your card responsibly and making on-time payments, you may be able to improve your credit score and be considered for a credit line increase in as little as 6 months." I've had my card for about 6 months, and when I called, they said that I needed to wait another 6 months because my card was still new. That's different from what it says online, but I'm just gonna wait it for a little bit. If you have a card and you're with Capital One, can you please let me know how long it took for you to get your credit increase in the comments below? Now, this Platinum card is definitely different from the Self card because it does give you a hard inquiry on your credit in order to get approved. If you get denied, it can lower your actual credit score. So I suggest signing up for Credit Karma just to get a better idea of what you will get approved for or what you won't get approved for. Another difference between this card and the Self card is that the Self card requires you to open up a credit builder loan. Capital One does not require you to. To learn more about the Self card, please watch my previous video I made, and the link is in the description below. Overall, I think this card is okay. It's good for people like me who are new to the credit cards or who are trying to increase their credit. I just don't like how they say one thing on the phone and online it says another, or when I do actually talk to a representative, they give me another story. So my experience with the customer service hasn't really been the greatest. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences with this card in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Chala.